growing up, I was always kind of wandering, trying to like find who I was. Finding my foot in design and starting a brand and becoming a designer kind of gave me an identity. Once I did find this route, I was exposed to a whole other community of creatives and artists who really did see me for being this leading designer within the Oakland community. Showing people what I can do through that outlet created who and what Tombogo is. Oakland doesn't have a lot of designers coming out of the city. I may be the only designer that's showed in Paris Fashion Week that's from Oakland. It's exactly what I wanted to show people when I started the brand. And from a broader perspective, I have a lot of pride representing Oakland. It's something I want to continue to do, even within the shows, even more explicitly. Taking things to the next level, which is like incorporating technology into fashion. And so I think there was a very clear opportunity and road that I found for making the bag table light. The inspiration to designing its form was in my mentality of being a fashion designer. It explicitly speaks to that in it being the shape of a handbag, but its true function is being a table light. The bag table light was the best of both worlds, where it was in the accessory world, but it's really a home goods product. So it's kind of foreshadowing all these different things I want to do, but within one product. Seeing Gantri's products and being a customer of Gantri, I know that Gantri as a brand can also deliver really amazing designs and products. And so I think collaborating with Gantri to create it, I was just super excited and really anticipated just seeing the final product. The goal of the bag table light, I think, is for people to just feel inspired and like they can do anything when they look at this light and turn it on. It's really exciting to me.